What the hell going on today with the Tesla price? Oh my god. Down another almost 3% today. Trying to kill our account all in one day. Down $11,000, $12,000. Oh my gosh. Now I'm not going to be able to afford my new Rolex. It's terrible times. So we rolled out a couple. Some 650s, and I don't know that we're gonna get a bounce. Market is definitely not happy. So we have these credit spreads and these credit spreads that are well. This one's in the money. This one's this one's like halfway there. This one's fully in the money. Not where we want to be. And what a far cry from just like where it was a few days ago. Could have closed those out for $1. So we're going to roll these out, and we're probably going to roll them out quite far. So I should have done this earlier. Actually, I started doing it, and then I decided I should record something. And so because I'm recording something, it will cost me more money, but that's okay, because money comes and goes, doesn't make you happy. And we are lucky at the end of the day that we even have the money to get to play with such like these kind of things and profit and everything. So this shows a $40 debit. We don't really want a debit. So let's see, at the same price, 57-cent credit a month out. Yes. So we'll see if we can grab 50 cents here, and we'll hit credit. And when you guys ask about getting them filled and not being able to get them filled, this is what you have to do. If you're in the money and you can roll them just sideways, you're probably not going to be able to collect much, if anything. If you want to roll them down, you'll probably have to pay unless you roll them very far out. So the other set, maybe we'll roll out a little further and down so we can see what that looks like, because those are not all the way in the money. So we'll see whatever we can grab here. We keep having to lower the price. That's the other thing you have to do. Robinhood, if it's going to fill, fills pretty quickly. And if not, that's why I only wait a few seconds here. And then I come back to the price, because, so we can see, well, it looks like it's bouncing, if that's what we want to call it. Very well could be dead cat bounce. No, not 28 cents. Maybe we can get a quarter. Oh, now 5 cents. That means we'll still try. We'll still work our way down. But that means maybe it's just like break even, and we're kind of even, just to be able to roll those out a little bit. And that's fine too. Because if it doesn't cost us anything, or we can get a little bit of money to give us more time, that's all we want. No need to be super greedy. A couple seconds. No, doesn't want to fill us at 20 cents. How about 15? And as you can see, I'm doing this pretty quickly and lowering it pretty quickly because I want to get these things filled. I have some things to do today other than play stock market. How about 10 cents? $150. Come on, Robinhood. No, not even 10 cents. 5 cents. It may actually not be able to collect jack anything. Not even 5 cents. All right. We are going to change this idea. We're going to roll it out farther. So I can't remember the $5 increments are. I think not in September. Not in September. About August 20. Yes, there are some here. And yeah, I guess even there they only want to give us a few dollars, maybe $5. Sure. There we go. Okay. Got those rolled out. And now we have 3 of these that we want to roll out. So we'll take a look at those. These are not all the way in the money because the bottom strike price is a little bit lower. So these will be easier to roll out because it's not fully in the money. But we will see. Can we see if we can roll these down $5? See what that shows us here. $30 debit. I don't want to pay. So maybe we'll go out to September. Oh, $20 increments. No good. We'll go to October. It's a long ways out. But it also gives us a lot of time for bouncing. Only 50 cents, 60 cents. Fine. October will come a lot faster than we think. For sure. Always does. There we go. Grab the $150. And now our lowest ones are 630s. We have a little bit of buying power. We have our little bit of plays to the upside, which right now are not looking very juicy at all. We need a bounce back. $20 would be pretty nice. We have our call credit spreads. We can actually, let me see. So this collateral is used for the same collateral as this collateral. So we need to close these out in order to be able to roll these. And it's within $13, which is not more than the daily move. So I'm going to go ahead and put in an order to close these out. So we have 8 of those, and we'll $11 those. We'll pay $11 since we're closing it out. We need to pay. And I'll just hit done because let me make sure that was right. I just want to, let me see. Yep, just want to make sure this is correct. So, order in for the day. Oh, of course, now we have some balance. That would have made everything easier to roll out. But since we cannot time the market, I super wish we could. That's the safer way to play things. Just roll them out, give us some more time, collect a little bit more premium. I mean, if we look at this guy here, and we kind of see, there's this, and now we're kind of touching that little bit of line right there. So I'm thinking this is probably the bottom or pretty close to the bottom for now. Otherwise, it's going to be Where's our other chart? Let me get rid of this. So I was half expecting this level, like somewhere right in here, tested like right after this other upshoot, and that level was 640s or so. So we pulled back a little bit more than that, and then really our next leg down is before the breakout, when it was bouncing, right below and above $600 for a while. But if I could predict the future, everything would be a lot easier. So the rest of it, I'm gonna just let hang out for a bit, and we'll keep an eye on Tesla's share price. If we happen to go a little bit up, then great, we won't touch anything. If we come down a bit more, then I'll start looking at rolling out everything that is kind of in a danger spot. So the 630s, we still have $10 to go. And then next week, and keep in mind, we do still have these 650s here, but we do have earnings coming up. So I'll hold on to these for a little bit longer, because we do have earnings coming up, which I believe is going to be positive, and we'll see how that's offset with the actual news and market sentiment and all that jazz. All right, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hopefully you're making a little bit more money than I have lost. It'd be great. Love you guys. And we will see you later or talk to you tomorrow. All right. Make a lot of money.